works well, nice and convenient, nice option to have warm food when there's limited ways to do that otherwise.
I like that you can set the time that you want the food to be ready. Right when I get out to my work van, I can set the food in there, set the timer for 11 o'clock, and then I just know it's gonna be ready at that time. The lunch warmer is nice because you can get 2 cycles out of a typical battery.
It's nice that I can pack it the day before, throw it in the warmer, start it a couple hours before you want to eat lunch. Keeps it warm for a good period of time, and when you're ready to eat it, it's good to go.
I'm using the lunch warmer to warm up leftovers for the next day. So the containers are a perfect size. I like the durability when you're on a rough job site. There's just a lot of debris, and it's nice that it's on the PACKOUT platform. So when you're rolling your big toolbox and your food's gonna stay secure, it's nice to be able to have a nice hot lunch to look forward to throughout the workday.